Question is given 27 raised to x plus 27 raised to x plus 27 raised to x is equal to 27. We have to find out the value of x. X is equal to what? We have to find out this value. Let's see solution. We can find out the value of x by using two methods. Let's see first method. Method 1. 27 raised to x plus 27 raised to x plus 27 raised to x is equal to 27. This is given. This 27 we can write 3 raised to 3x plus 3 power 3 power x plus 3 power 3 power x is equal to 27. Now we can write this 3 power x power 3 plus 3 power x power 3 plus 3 power x power 3 is equal to 27. Because we know the formula a power m power n is equal to, we can write a power n power m. So here 3 power x, let's consider 3 power x is equal to y. This is equation 1. Now we can write this y power 3 plus y power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 27. Thus we can write 3 power 3 y power 3 is equal to 27. Therefore y power 3 or y cube is equal to 27 divided by 3. 3 9 ja 27. Y cube is equal to 9. But we have to find out the value of y. So here we can take cube root. Taking cube root, both side, we will get y cube root is equal to cube root of 9. This will cancel here. Y is equal to cube root of 9. We can write this 3 cube root of 9 as it is. But we know that y equal to 3x. We already considered that y equal to 3x. 3 raised to x is equal to, we can write this cube root of 9. We can write this 3 raised to x is equal to cube root of 9. 3 raised to x is equal to cube root of 9. We can write this 9 like 3 square is equal to 3 raised to, we can write this 3 raised to 1 by 2 power 3 square. This is 3 square raised to 1 by 3 is equal to, we can write this 3 raised to 2 by 3. So we can write 3x is equal to 3 power 2 by 3. We know the formula a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. So we can write here x is equal to 2 by 3. This is the value of x by using first method. Now we can see by second method. Second method, given 27 power x plus 27 power x plus 27 power x is equal to 27. We can write this 27 power x times 1 plus 27 power x times 1 plus 27 power x times 1 is equal to 27. Now taking 27 power x common, 27 power x common, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 27. So 27 power x times 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, is equal to 27. Now we can write 27 power x is equal to 27 divided by 3. 3 9 ja 27. 27 power x is equal to 9. X we can write this 3 power 3 power x is equal to 3 square 9, that is 3 square. Now we can compare this one and this one. Then we will get here 3 power 3x is equal to 3 square. Therefore we can write this 3x is equal to 2. Because we know the formula, same formula, that is a power m equal to a power n. Then we can write this m is equal to n. Using this formula, 3x is equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3. By both method, value of x, that is 2 by 3. Let's verify. Let's verify this value. Question is given 27 raised to x plus 27 raised to x plus 27 raised to x is equal to 27. This is given. Value of x, that is 2 by 3. 27 x, that is 2 by 3 plus 27 raised to 2 by 3 plus 27 raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 27. This is question mark because we are verifying here this value. Now 27 raised to, we can write this 1 by 3 square. We can write this 1 by 3 square, taking square outside, plus 27 raised to 1 by 3, again taking square outside, plus 27 raised to 1 by 3 square, 27. Now we can write this 27 raised to 1 by 3. We can write this cube root of 27. This is cube root of 27 square plus cube root of 27 square plus cube root of 27 square, question mark 27. Now we can write this value of square root of 27, cube root of 27 equal to, we can say, cube root of 3 power 3. 27, that is 3 power 3, and this is cube root, so it will cancel from here, equal to 3. So value of cube root of 27, that is 3. So we can write this 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, 27. We have to verify this. 3 square, that is 9, plus 9 plus 9, 27. 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 27, is equal to 27. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we can say x is equal to 2 by 3. This is correct solution. Thank you.